Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice as well see my screen clearly. So this is 22nd of September. I'd like us to do this with the chart on our screen. This is gold. So you remember yesterday what we mentioned, or we did say that we were expecting price to continue to the upper side. We were looking at it from the daily time frame. It was on the weekly time. Had a very good resistance here. We had resistance. And we mentioned that this was like a triple top formation where the price was forming, then it had. So as it is right now, we are expecting that price can pull back to the upper side. That is, if the price can move slightly to the upper side, then within this zone is actually a good place to consider looking for sell from. We just want to wait and see what happens. If the price goes up and touches somewhere in between these two lines, we will be looking for sell positions from within these two lines. We expect that the sellers will push us to the lower side, placed up to this point. This is 1878.79. Next target, this one. This is 1802.21. And then next one is 1639.6. So here is to keep looking for sell positions. Expect the sellers to push us to the lower side up to this target. This is 1878.79. If the price goes below it, we expect it to continue to the lower side up to this level, 1802.21. The next level is this one, 1639.26. So those are the few levels we expect the price to go up to. Those are the levels where we are expecting that the price is basically going to go up to. The next chart, which I want us to have a look at, I want us to look at Euro USD. With USD so far, it looks like the price is into sell. So we have a very good support level here. This is 1.06938. As long as the price is held below that line, we do expect that the sellers will continue to push us to the lower side. So we are basically just looking at this lower line, 1.05240. As long as the price is below this line, expect that the price is going to continue to the lower side up to this level, 1.0540. If that level is broken, the next target is this one. This is 1.02545. If that is broken, next target is this one, 0.96734. That while the price is below this line, we will be looking for more sell positions on the lower time frames. If you whether you're trading 1 hour, 4 hours, we are going to be looking for sell position. Ideally, we want to wait for good support levels like this level here be clearly broken for us to continue to the. If the price can go below this line, that will be a good sign that we are now. So just expect a breakout, a retracement, then you can pick a position expecting that the buyers will continue to push us to the upper side, to the lower side. Sorry, the sellers will continue to push the lower side. The other chart, I want us to look at GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, we are also sellers. We are downwards. The price is continuously moving to the lower side. We had a very good expanding wedge formation here. But as you can see, it's like the price broke and closed it. We had this shape. The price closed below it. It pulled back up. Then currently, so as it is right now, we are having a very good support level here. We do expect that if the price can break and close below that line, then that will be a good indication that we are now continuing to the lower side. and we may likely see a breakout, a retracement, side this chart here. That's my opinion. The next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is upwards. We have a very good resistance level. This is a very good resistance. We have so we had a resistance. We have a resistance. The price can ascend and close above 148.407 or 148. And 148.45. If the price should close above these two lines, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So we'll just be waiting to see what happens when if the price can ascend above that line, then that will give us the ideal place to buy from. That is that line here. The next chart, which I want us to have a look at today, I want us to look at DAX. So on this chart, basically daily time frame, we are having a very good support level there. You can see that the price ideally has closed below it. So we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a break below it. As long as the price is held below 1556.5.0 and 1552.2.0, we do expect that the sellers will continue push price to the lower side up to around 1525.0.3. So expect that the price likely go up to the point. If that happens, this will be a good place to exit from. So I hope that clear. That makes the other chart, which we'll have a look at. I want us to look at the SP500. This is a sell. So we keep forecasting buys on this chart, but from the look of things, it's just keep retracing massively. On this chart, you can see that the price has gone down and is somewhere around a very good support, which is this level here. So this could be a very good place to consider looking for buy from, as long as the price does not break and close below it. So while we are still within these two lines, you expect that the buyers will push us back to the upper side to this target. If that target is broken, our next target is the tip of this candle. So we look for a buy if this zone is not broken by the end of the day. Next week on Monday, we'll be looking for buy position, expecting that the buyers will push us upwards with a target at 4509.9. That is broken. The next target is 4608.3. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. We'll meet again on Monday, same time. Thank you and see you.